everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest home feed not refreshing. This usually happens due to suck cage, so let's clear it up. First of all, force close Pinterest by swiping it up from the bottom and then by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and clearing it away. And then you are going to turn on airplane mode and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds before turning it back off to reset your connection. After that, you're going to log out of Pinterest and then log back in. Now we're going to update your Pinterest app. Go to the app store, search for Pinterest, and then make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. If there is an update button available, update it. If there is not, then that means your app is already updated to the latest version, so you don't have to worry about that. Safety tip: do not share your login with multiple apps or tools. Switch accounts to trigger a forced feed refresh, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.